You can use AirTag and Find My to keep track of your personal items like keys, backpacks, and more. Here's how to find an item, whether it's nearby or farther away. In the Find My app, tap Items. Now tap the item that's connected to your AirTag. If it's within Bluetooth range, you can tap Play Sound to hear a series of chimes that helps you find your AirTag. On supported iPhone models, you can also find your item's precise location. Tap Find Nearby and follow the instructions to move around the space until your iPhone connects to your AirTag. Once it's connected, follow the distance and direction information on your screen. Your iPhone also vibrates as you get closer to your AirTag. Found it! Now just tap the Done button. If your item is out of Bluetooth range, you can tap Directions to open Maps and get directions to your item's last known location. Now let's swipe up on the handle to explore some more options. You can share an item that's paired with an AirTag with up to 5 other people, so they can also locate it in Find My. If you can't find your AirTag, you can tap Show Contact Info and follow the steps to mark it as lost. You'll create a message with your contact details, and if someone finds your AirTag, they can use any NFC-capable device to access a website with your message. You can also tap Share Item Location to share its location with an airline or a trusted person. They'll receive a link that allows them to view your item's location and your contact information for a limited time. Scroll down to the Notifications section, and if your item is out of range, you can turn on Notify When Found. By default, you'll receive a notification if your iPhone becomes separated from your AirTag. You can tap Notify When Left Behind to set trusted locations like your home or work, where you can leave your AirTag without being notified. And in the Settings section, you can rename your AirTag, remove it from your Apple account, or stop all sharing. And that's how to use AirTag to keep track of your most important things.